Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the Gimp beta version. So before install the latest version, Gimp C 3.0 or C3, just you should watch this video before install, because I have already installed in my system and already I wanna show you how looks the Gimp 3.0, and this you can install easily from Gimp website. So because you can use the latest version of Gimp from the Nova Linux, because I'm using the Nova Linux. So this is the Gimp 3.0 RC3 release, and you can see the lots of bug fix and lots of improvement are here, and lots of tools are already added here. So this is the Gimp. Gimp is just like a Photoshop. It is available in internet, totally free and open source, so you can distribute. If you don't like the Photoshop, just you can install the Gimp. So now this time, this is Nova Linux system. It is available on the Flatpak. If you're using the Flatpak, this is RC2. Sorry, this is you can see at the first window. Just open your existing image, download. Go to the download. This is my existing image. I wanna just click on the open. I wanna change this image color. This is a blue color, and I wanna change this into the color into green. So this is menu bar. So you can see what already changed in the new version. Let's compare it in your previous version to old version that already installed your system. This video specially for what already changed in the new Gimp version, in beta version. This video only for that. The color version you can see here, but it is difficult to identify what really changed, because I don't use the Gimp in my lots of time, because I'm 3D artist, so I'm using the Gimp at 20 to 25% in my pipeline. So it is not heavily used in my pipeline. So you can see here. So I cannot say you what are changed. So you can see this video in the menu. In the menu bar, so you can see here the render, wave option, animation, development. So blur option, blur menu, exchange, noise, so window. So this is the layer version. This is layer menu, right panel. This is the texture panel, text panel, response panel, history panel. All are not changed. There is a texture panel. Nothing is changed, but interface, it just looks like a very different. It is just like a Photoshop. If I open this this game in my desktop, so nobody can easily understand that I am already open the game instead of the Photoshop. So I wanna change this color. So I wanna show you how I can change this this image color. So I'm gonna change this color into a green color. So I want a green color, green Innova Krishna. So change the hue color, and you can see the OK part is set on the uh, right top corner, and cancel is left top corner. So interface is a bit changed. Okay, click on the OK button. So now I wanna export this video. To export that, this is the green color text here, and I change this into green color. So as a color theory, I wanna change, I wanna use this color, green color. So now I wanna export this one. Export, Control Shift E. So you can see here the export. Export as. Export just green. You can see here export, there are lots of options here, and to export it as PNG. This is a PNG compression level setting. It is PNG or ZPEG. ZPEG. I think ZPEG. ZPEG has a compression level 9. Now it is a PNG because it has transparent. So there's a green color image, and I want to. This is already Gimp. I have shown you what is it looks, what the change inside the Gimp. Just change some tools, change some tools. So what they are already changed. New GTK version, image, graph improvement, script filter, PSD DTS, file format PSD DTS. Apple image now is official image. Is easy, lots of changes. What they are already changed. You can Apple image app image is now official. So app image for especially for Linux version. It is not for Windows or Mac version. So if you wanna get this one, so install the Linux. It is not for Windows version. To get beta version, this application, you should use the Linux version, PSD version. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video with a new tutorial. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. To get more videos, kindly go to my channel and check it out. Gracias por ver. Para obtener más videos, por favor via a mi canal y comprabelo.